And let me show you how this thing works. So I have my All Powers. This is the All Powers 2000 watt power station. So you can see it's sized perfectly for this bag. So I'm excited to put this in here because I've been needing one of these things because I hate carrying these things around. They're a little cumbersome to carry them around. They get damaged and all that. This bag will actually help protect it. But what I like about this bag is it has all of these different pockets on it. These are waterproof zippers. You can see right there, those are like water resistant. Let's just say they're water resistant. Oh yeah, there's a set of rolling wheels that we'll put on here in a minute. I'll show you all how to do that. On this side is a access on the side. Now this one's important because this one has fans on the side, and then on this side it has another fan, and the fan kind of goes back and forth through it. So when I'm going to be running this, I'm going to actually open this up where the air can get in and out of here. But some of my power banks have plug-ins on the side, so that's why that one's important. There's nothing on the back. And then to put the legs on, they're pretty simple. You see how it has that click right there? Watch this, everybody. These basically, you can't put them on wrong. When you see where the click is, see how that clicks on like that? Premium. This does not feel like a cheap little bag. It kind of looks like a cooler. And actually that actually works out great for security reasons, because if you're at a campground or something and you see this, you think it's just someone's cooler. You don't sit there and think that there's a pretty high dollar power station down inside of here. Let me put the power station in here. Let me show you how this thing works. Zipping it all back up. To put it in there, obviously you just open the top like that. This bag right here will hold all of your power cords, whether it's your solar panel cords, your power cords, or anything like that. Now this one, I'm just gonna put it just like this. Falls right down in there like that. Y'all see that? Look how perfectly that mounts down in there. Now you can get these sized to your power bank. So this right here is like a combination of like a hand, like picking it up like this, or rolling it, because these things are not the lightest. So if I want to put it around me, I can go kind of just like that. And see, I can carry it to wherever, but it also has these handles on the side for like that. And they're very good quality sewn. It's like sewn webbing inside of there. But then check this out. I want to access my power bank. Boom, just like that. And actually, you can stick it up under there like that. Y'all see that? Look how you can access my power banks. My power, my AC. There's my outlets right here. My charge port, that's where the solar goes in. Can circulate the air in there, because when it's kind of starting to really go, sometimes it circulates the air. Is that not cool? Look how, and these wheels work extremely well. Works right here on the ground. How cool is that? This is something I recommend for anyone that has a good sized power station like this, and they need a bag to carry it. It also protects it, and it kind of camouflages it a little bit for security. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, I think it's called the FOLU power station bag. See y'all in the next video.